Hey guys, aloha from Hawaii. I am still here at Aulani on Oahu on vacation, but as per usual, whenever I go on vacation, I love to do a little bit of luxury shopping. I also really love to film the unboxing here with you guys while I'm still on vacation because I think it makes it a little bit extra special. Plus, honestly, I want to start wearing these items, so I have to unbox it before I head back home. So if you want to check out what I picked up this time from Cartier, and I have a double unboxing for you in this video, definitely keep watching. If you are new here, thanks so much for checking this out. I'm a full-time working mom, but in my spare time, I love making these videos on fashion, beauty, mommy lifestyle, a little bit of reselling, and luxury as well. So if those kind of things sound at all interesting, definitely check out my other videos, link below. And please also consider hitting that subscribe button. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for watching another video. Alright guys, so I hopefully will put together a vlog of this trip, and if I've done so, I will link it down below. I have not been the best vlogger this vacation, I will say, because I've just been enjoying myself and don't think too much about picking up the camera. But I have been trying to take little bits and pieces of pictures and video clips wherever we go because it's just a fun memory for myself, and I hope some of you also enjoy coming along with us too. So we are here for an entire week on Oahu with all of our 4 kids and my husband, and just really enjoying spending time together and seeing the sights. I always do luxury shopping when I'm visiting Hawaii, as you probably know if you watch my channel, because for many stores there is a Hawaii discount for luxury. A lot of stores there is no Hawaii discount, but the tax here is about 4.7% or so, which for me is a decent savings because I normally live in California and our sales tax there is well more than double that, I will say. So yeah, it's a little bit of savings regardless. For Cartier, as I will tell you, there is no Hawaii discount, just so you're aware, but you do get that little bit of tax savings if you live in a high tax state. So for this trip, I had to go to Cartier. I had my eye on a couple of pieces that I want to share with you guys. Before I unbox these, I will say that I actually went into the store hoping to pick up one of their clash necklaces. So as you probably know, I am a lover of Cartier. I think this is probably my most favorite line of fine jewelry. I do own several pieces from the brand, and I really like the quality. They are really forever pieces, at least the ones that I've selected, and I think that they've held up very well. So I wanted to try out the Clash line. You probably have seen some items from the Clash line before. I was hoping to add their small version of their little necklace and to stack it with my current set here. So I went into the boutique, my heart set on trying this Clash necklace because I never tried it on before. They didn't have the small version in all gold. They did have it in gold and diamonds. So for size reference, I decided to try on the small version with diamonds. Beautiful, but I didn't want a diamond version because I thought that would be a little too gaudy to stack with. I just wanted the plain rose gold version, and I believe the Clash necklace only comes in rose gold, not in yellow gold, just in case you're curious. So they didn't have the one I wanted. The size was pretty good. It would layer above my other current necklaces, but since it's a little bit more of a bulky piece, it did overlap, especially my Maya Brenner necklace. So I wasn't a huge fan of that, but I thought it would probably work. And I was speaking with a sales associate about potentially having it ordered here, and they could do overnight shipping, so I probably would be able to pick it up before I left the island to go back home. So I was about to make that purchase when I said, well, can I also see a couple of things while I'm here? And luckily, they weren't too busy there. So I decided to look at these 2 pieces, and I decided to change my mind. The Clash is definitely still on my wish list, but I'm going to save that for a later date because I think these 2 pieces actually worked out better for me. So let me go ahead and show you what I picked up. So the first one, I will say, let's see, there's a lot of little things in here, but comes in this box. So you may have some guesses. Let me know down below what you think. If you watch my channel, you may have some idea because I've talked about some things that I have my eye on. So as per usual, it does come with a certificate of authenticity. I have 2 because I have 2 items here. But in this beautiful little folder, each item comes with their own little number. So that's for reference here if you'd like. And then it also came with, of course, the Cartier receipt. And she also, of course, gave me a little dust bag for this item. So now you probably know, but these are really cute. I honestly don't really use these things because I wear these pieces all the time, but it's nice to have a little dust bag. All right, so those things came along with this first purchase. So let me go ahead and just show you what I picked up. So here is the beautiful box that opens up, and you might have just seen a sneak peek, but here's the item, and let me go and reveal to you probably up close what I picked up. Okay, so here's the beautiful box. You just push this button to open the box, and here is the item. I hope this comes into focus for you because it is so beautiful. And this is the Love wedding band style ring in white 18 karat gold. So I know it's a little hard to focus here, but let me go ahead and take it out for you. This is the beautiful Love wedding band in white gold. Hopefully you can see that. And as per usual, they have the Cartier etching on the inside along with the size. And I picked this up in the same size as my current Love wedding band here. So this fits perfectly stacked. I do have the wedding band Love ring in the rose tone gold, and now I added the white. So just stunning. I absolutely love this combination, and I was hoping to stack, as you all probably know in some of my recent videos, my current Love ring. So I decided just to go classic and pick up another of the same. I may mix it up in the future, but this for right now is what I'm going to be wearing. So in case you're interested, I did put together a little review of my Cartier rings so far prior to these purchases. So I did talk about my Love rose tone wedding band in addition to my Justin Clue ring. I will link that video down below. And in that video, I talk about how I really love this particular style of wedding band ring, and I was hoping to stack it. So here is its companion, at least for now. I love the combo of the white and the rose. I think it just adds a little dimension to it. I don't have a lot of white or silver tone jewelry, so I'm hoping to add more of that into my collection. And I love mixing metals, so I hope this is a great way to start doing that. So I'm going to be wearing both of these on my middle finger of my right hand. And I will, of course, put together a review later on in case you're curious, but super happy about this one. I was also very happy because whenever I go into the Cartier boutique to make a new purchase, they clean my previous pieces as well. So I had all of my bracelets cleaned when I was in the boutique this week, and then I also had my rings too. So they all really look nice and shiny, and polish them up a little bit. But these inevitably scratch. There's no way around it. It's 18 karat gold. It's going to scratch, as I've talked about so many times, especially this Love style shows the scratches. I'm okay with it because I know that's part of the wear and tear, but they can buff them out a little bit and it looks really shiny. So I've had these pieces for quite some time, and when they get shined up, I think they're still absolutely gorgeous. So yes, that's the first piece that I picked up while I was here. And then I'm going to move on to the second piece, and this one will probably be a little more of a surprise because I don't think I've talked about this. It comes in this dust bag, so you probably know what type of piece it is. All right, so this next piece comes in this gorgeous box, and let me open up to show you guys what I selected. It opens up on the bottom like usual, and let me come up close again to give you its proper reveal. All right, so hopefully I can focus the camera again and give you a nice close-up shot here. My camera lighting isn't the greatest because obviously I'm on vacation and just making do with what I have. All right, so you pop the bottom button here, and here is the gorgeous piece. No doubt you've seen this many times on YouTube, but it is the gorgeous Diamond Cartier Solitaire diamond necklace. And this is in the very small version in yellow gold. So again, this is the extra small version, and this is 0.04 carats in terms of weight, in case you're curious. It comes in other different sizes of diamonds, but I really wanted the daintiest piece because I'm really hoping to stack this. And I want something really, really very simple. I did try on the rose tone gold as well, but it just didn't look as good because it was clearly different from my other necklaces in terms of colorway. So this yellow tone, I think, suited me best. Let me go ahead and try it on for you guys. So the end here has this really beautiful little medallion, and then there are two little adjustable rings, as you can see here, if you want to change the length. And this chain again is just so sparkly, as you can see. It's just really, really beautiful piece and dainty as well, which I really like. And here is the tiny little extra small diamond. You might not even be able to see it very well, but there it is. So it's just perfect. I think it will stack really, really beautifulully. Let me go ahead and try this on and I'll show you how my stack looks. Okay guys, so first off, I apologize. There's literally a luau getting set up right outside our hotel room. So you probably hear some really fun Hawaii ambiance, but that is what that is in the background. So I'm trying to get this video filmed just so that they don't start going full blast with the drumming. But here is what the stack looks like. So I have this really beautiful new piece. This is a Diamore from Cartier. I just unboxed for you guys an extra small version. It sits really high up in the neck for me. I think it's about 14 inches in terms of length at the shortest, and that's the setting I have it on. This is my beautiful Maya Brenner necklace that I've unboxed and talked about before. One of my absolute favorite pieces that stacks here with my kids' middle initials and a little emerald that signifies the month that I got married. And then this is my beautiful vintage Alhambra from Van Cleef, which I absolutely love, in the guilloche. So right now, this is what I am working with. I'm gonna check this stack out and see if I really like wearing them together. I think that little beautiful diamond just adds the perfect little pop that I was really looking for. I think if I did go with the Cartier Clash necklace, it would be a little bit too gaudy, honestly. And when I tried it on, that's kind of what I felt. But here, I think the pairing works really well. So we will see how I like it going forward. I will keep you guys updated, but I do intend to wear this as a stack, just like this. Okay guys, so there you have it. That was my really quick double Cartier unboxing. I hope you had fun checking out these two beautiful little new items that I picked out. They're really classic, dainty pieces that I think are going to really fit my lifestyle. I never take off this fine jewelry, as I've talked about before. I wear all of the pieces you see on me basically 24/7. I wear them at the pool here at Aulani. I wear them at the beach. I wear them to work, I wear them to shower. It's just really, really a piece and part of me now. So I wanted to add these two new pieces because again, I'm not gonna take these off. I'm gonna really put them through the ringer and see what I really like about them and see how they don't hold up for me. So I will let you know in future review videos as well. I think these pieces, again, are among some of the most popular Cartier pieces. I know a lot of you own these as well. Comment down below, let me know what you think about yours, if you like stacking your pieces like I'm doing. Kind of what are your favorites from the line, because I always love checking out new items as well. In terms of price point, again, at Cartier in Hawaii, it is retail pricing, but the tax is about 4.7% or so. So that definitely is a decent savings for me just based on tax alone. So definitely something to consider if you're here in Hawaii, you know, potentially popping into Cartier. I believe Cartier is only located in the Ala Moana shopping center, at least according to my sales associate. There are no other Cartiers, I think, in the state, in case you're wondering. I also asked about Van Cleef, and I know they did have a little boutique as a part of the Neiman Marcus in Ala Moana, but according to my sales associate at Cartier, that's not open. So I don't believe there is a Van Cleef retailer here, unfortunately. But if you're looking for Cartier, definitely check out the Ala Moana boutique. I've had great experience shopping there. I've shopped there on several occasions now. They clean your jewelry, really, really friendly and nice and helpful as well. So be sure to also check out some of my soon-to-be-released unboxings from here in Hawaii for other luxury items that I picked up as well. And also check out my Hawaii vlog, which I'll share with you guys too. I hope you're staying safe and healthy, and I'll see you in my next video. Aloha!